Tonight set right here inside Trasaco Country Club. My name is Daphne Flashley, reporting live for MX24 TV. And listen, it's all about Euphoria Gala night. And I'm super excited because in as much as we look pretty beautiful, glammed up, we are here to raise awareness for domestic violence and mental health in an amazing way. And I'm excited for this. And so if you're not here, not to worry, I'm here to give you everything you need to know. Once again, my name is Daphne Flashley for MX24 TV. Welcome to Euphoria Gala night. Why do you think it's important for us to address mental health?
It's something that we've turned our back on sometimes in this country, and but it's there. It's everywhere in the world, and we really need to see it for the important situation that it is.
That's one of a very sensitive topic, and a lot of people, ladies, have suffered. And I like this initiative with Kelvin, and I've been working with him over the years. I think he discussed with me about it, and I also said it's something he should go in for, because domestic violence is something very sensitive that we need to voice it up and then to make ladies come out of themselves to be who they can be. Yeah.
We need to start creating a healthy environment as women to have these conversations.
You decided to come up with funds for DOFSU, for laboratory. Talk to us about that, because there are so many things you could have done, but what was on your heart was the laboratory.
So it's quite embarrassing to actually go through domestic violence, and it's twice embarrassing to actually have to explain to the doctors or the police what has happened to you. And they don't have a laboratory to run these tests. When they get raped, when they get beaten, they go like, show me proof, like what proof do you have? And it's twice embarrassing. Like they've already gone through it. You want to just interrogate them and make them feel like they are not, worth, having the space or the support that they're supposed to have, right? So when they approached me and they told me that they want to build a laboratory, I was like, I mean, absolutely. They actually go outside of DOFSU to run their lab tests, and they pay money for it. They buy their drugs and they pay money for it. And we feel, okay, if we can support them, people have the money, people have the support, people have the fans, people also have the passion. So I'm like, let me just bring these people together. I mean, the little you can offer, I mean, it's not going to, break the bank, but at least we're able to raise some funds. It's not as up to how much we wanted, but it's a great initiative, and everything is going to DOFSU.
A round of applause again, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause again. Wonderful. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That is absolutely spectacular.